Beneath the ocean's surface lies a breathtaking display few have ever witnessed. Coral spawning. Imagine an entire reef releasing tiny bundles of life, synchronized by lunar cycles, lighting up the waters with a mesmerizing glow. This annual spectacle ensures survival, with corals releasing billions of gametes into the ocean currents, aiming for the perfect moment for fertilization. But it's not just an underwater wonder. Coral spawning is crucial for maintaining healthy reef ecosystems, which support countless marine species. As threats like climate change and pollution endanger these habitats, understanding and preserving this natural phenomenon becomes vital for our planet's future. Dive into the unknown world of coral spawning and discover the intricate beauty and importance of these ancient marine architects.